Welcome to English Language Academy, The Farmer and the Well, English Story, Chapter 1, The Farmer's Problem. Long ago, in a small village, there lived a hard-working farmer named Ramu. Ramu worked day and night on his land to grow crops. He grew rice, wheat, and vegetables. His land was fertile, but he had one big problem. He didn't have enough water for his crops. The village had a river, but it was far from Ramu's field. Every morning, Ramu carried buckets of water from the river to his crops. It was tiring, and he couldn't bring enough water for all his plants. His crops were growing slowly, and he worried about the harvest. One day, while resting under a tree, Ramu had an idea. If I have my own well, I won't need to carry water from the river, he thought. I can save time and work more on my farm. Chapter 2. The Merchant's Offer. In the same village lived a rich merchant named Mohan. Mohan owned many wells, fields, and houses. He often rented his wells to farmers and charged them money for water. Ramu decided to visit Mohan. Mohan, he said, I want to buy one of your wells. How much will it cost? Mohan smiled slyly. He saw an opportunity to make money. Ramu, he said, I will sell you the well near your field for 1,000 gold coins. Ramu's face fell. He didn't have that much money, but he didn't give up. Can I pay you 100 gold coins now and the rest after the harvest? He asked. Mohan thought for a moment. He agreed because he knew Ramu's crops depended on the well. But remember, Mohan warned, if you don't pay me on time, I will take back the well. Chapter 3. The Well Dispute. Ramu was happy. He started using the well and watering his crops every day. His plants began to grow, and he dreamed of a good harvest. But Mohan was greedy. A few weeks later, he came to Ramu's field and said, Ramu, you can't use the water in the well anymore. Ramu was shocked. Why not? He asked. I paid you for the well. Mohan smirked. You paid for the well, but not the water inside it. The water belongs to me. Ramu couldn't believe his ears. He argued, What will I do with an empty well? This is unfair. Mohan didn't care. He said, If you want the water, you must pay me extra. Then he walked away, leaving Ramu worried and confused. Chapter 4. Seeking Justice. Ramu decided to seek justice. The village had a wise chief named Bola. Everyone respected him because he was fair and honest. Ramu went to Bola and explained the problem. Bola listened carefully. He called Mohan to the village square to settle the dispute. When Mohan arrived, Bola asked, Mohan, is it true that you sold the well to Ramu? Yes, Mohan replied. And did you tell Ramu that the water doesn't belong to him? Bola asked. Mohan grinned. Yes, I did. The water is mine. He only bought the well, not the water. The villagers murmured. They thought Mohan's claim was unfair, but they waited for Bola's decision. Chapter 5. The Wise Judgment. Bola thought for a moment and then spoke. Mohan, you said the water belongs to you, but the well belongs to Ramu. Is that correct? Yes, Mohan said confidently. In that case, Bola said, you have no right to keep your water in Ramu's well. You must remove it immediately. Mohan's face turned red. He realized he had been outsmarted. If he removed the water, the well would be useless to him. Defeated, he agreed to let Ramu use the water without extra payment. The villagers cheered. Ramu thanked Bola for his wisdom. From that day on, Ramu used the well freely, and his crops flourished. Chapter 6. A Lesson for Everyone. The story of the farmer and the well spread far and wide. It taught people the importance of fairness and honesty. Mohan, ashamed of his greed, became a better person. He started helping villagers instead of taking advantage of them. Ramu had a great harvest that year. He paid Mohan the remaining gold coins and became one of the most respected farmers in the village. As for Bola, he continued to lead the village with wisdom and kindness, ensuring that everyone lived in peace and harmony. The end. Thanks for watching English Language Academy. Subscribe now.